Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Tor Browser and delete hidden service directories, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Tor Browser, first, locate the Tor Browser directory on your computer. This is typically found in your Applications folder on macOS or the Program Files folder on Windows. Open the Tor Browser directory. On Windows, find the Uninstaller application within this folder. Double-click the uninstaller to initiate the process. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation. If you are using macOS, simply drag the Tor Browser icon to the trash. Next, it's important to delete any hidden service directories associated with Tor. On Windows, navigate to your user directory. You can find this by typing %user profile % into the File Explorer address bar. Look for a folder named .tor. If you see this folder, right-click and select Delete. On macOS, click on Go in the menu and select Go to Folder. Type /library application support /Tor browser data / into the box. In this directory, locate the folder labeled Tor. Drag this folder to the trash. To ensure complete removal, check for any additional hidden service directories as well. On Windows, you may also need to look for any service folders in the temp directory. To access temp, type %temp% in the File Explorer address bar. Delete any folders related to Tor that you find here. On macOS, you can check the /private/var/tmp/ directory for similar folders. After deleting these directories, it's wise to empty your trash or recycle bin. Finally, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. This concludes the uninstallation process for Tor Browser and its associated hidden service directories. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.